Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Today's recipe is a very simple stir-fried and just in one single pan that tosses all up fried noodles and very tasteful and rightfully so because it has a bit of everything. This easy Chinese Cantonese style dish made with eggs, noodles and shrimp and a plethora of veggies and sauces. Right from green onion sauce mixture like soy sauce and oyster sauce till protein like shrimp and fresh veggies like carrots, bell peppers and one bite from small bowl of this chow mein style and you are surely eating a great meal. The secret of making a great meal at home is to keep all the ingredients handy and use a light wok or a pan on high heat. Now I am going to marinate the shrimp. This is 200 grams deveined shrimp and I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste with a pinch of salt and let's marinate it and keep aside. Meanwhile, let's start cooking the noodles now. Use good quality noodles. I prefer to use egg noodles because of it has a chewiness. You can also use any other varieties of Asian noodles here. Cook noodles as per the package instruction. Now add salt. I like to keep the noodles a little undercooked and cook it along with the vegetables later. Once the noodles are cooked, put it in a colander and run it under cold tap water to stop further cooking. And I would recommend cooking the noodles just before you start preparing the other ingredients. The longer it stands, it starts to stick together. Now heat the wok or a deep pan and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the whisked eggs and cook them for a minute. Turn them and make a light scramble and then remove from pan. And then keep aside. Now in the same pan, let's toss the shrimp. Toss on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. The shrimps will start to turn thick. Don't cook it too long and it will get rubbery. Meanwhile, now let's make the stir-fry sauce. Now in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Now mix it well and keep aside. Now the shrimp is cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add chopped onions. Add salt as needed and give a quick stir. And then add the tomatoes and cook for a minute. Now I am adding some broccoli. You can add whatever vegetables available in your kitchen. I am going to semi-cook all the vegetables because I like it slightly crunchy for my noodles. And now let's add the bell peppers. Keep the heat on high and semi-cook the vegetables. And now this is cooking for about 2 minutes. I am going to add the shredded carrot. Cut the vegetables as you want for your preferences. Give a quick stir. Now let's add the mixed sauce. Combine well and add the scrambled eggs. Give a quick stir and finally add the spring onions. Mix it quickly and you don't need to cook it. And finally let's add the boiled noodles. Continue to keep the heat high and toss the noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes and coat it really well. Now put off the heat and now it's ready. Hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy shrimp and egg noodles. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.